for watching today. If you're new here, my name is Allie. I do a lot of lifestyle, travel, thrifting and vintage shop with me's, fashion hauls, things like that, and kind of a little bit of everything in between. We'll see where the week takes us. I'm just going to bring you guys along for the first time. I hope you watch. I would love for you to. And yeah, if you're new here, my husband's name is Hunter. It is Saturday morning. I'm waiting for him to get home so that we can head out to a coffee shop. We're gonna go have a bit of a brunch date, and I'm super excited for it. / marriage meeting, which is something that we decided that for the year we are going to be doing at the beginning of every month, just to kind of get on the same page about finances and goals, dreams, travel, what we're doing, things we have to plan for. And I think it would just help us to get us on a better routine of being on the same page about things in advance versus just kind of flying by the seat of our pants, because that gives your girl anxiety. I'm probably pretty backlit, but I figured I'd show you what I'm wearing before we go since Hunter just got home. I actually filmed a get ready with me. So I've got this really pretty patterned scarf and this beautiful, I don't know if it's really gonna pick it up very well, this really pretty chocolate brown trench that is vintage that I thrifted. And I'm wearing my husband's belt. I don't know why, but I love snagging stuff from Hunter that is his and accessorizing it for myself to make it my own. And then I've got on this like Skims long sleeve dupe that I love, and it's really cozy. It's from Amazon. It's in this really pretty mocha color. So I guess I was going for monochromatic vibes. I can link it down below. And then I've got one of my favorite pairs of vintage baggy denim and my Steve Madden cowboy Kindle boots. This is the whole little crate that I get to pick up every single week. So we have our whole milk half gallon, and it looks like we've got some beautiful lettuce in here. Yeah, oh, romaine. We have a couple heads of that. And you guys, look at this beauty. We have a whole chicken in here, which I'm super excited to roast. I can also use the carcass to make, or the bones and everything, to make a soup. They gave us some yummy basil from Bloomsbury Farms here in Tennessee. And some yummy sage that I can stuff the chicken with. Some baby bok choy. How freaking cute is that? And we have our homemade sourdough sandwich loaf, which apparently this week is jalapeno cheddar. And let's see, we've got some more pork and ground beef down in there. And look, I'm so excited. We get like a mystery item and a dessert every week. Look at this. These are handmade, locally made macaroons. Macaroons? I don't know. Super excited to have that. Our mystery item this week was that chicken. We've got our farm fresh eggs down in there. And oh god, I'm so excited to try this. It's a jalapeno cheddar sourdough buell. Yum. Oh shit. And it looks like we've got some little scallion onions. So I'm really excited to make some yummies with this. If you live in the Middle Tennessee area, you have to check this out because it is just like the coolest subscription box. It's kind of like getting your groceries delivered every week, but everything is literally farm to table. It's the best decision we've ever made. It's great for your health. And yeah, so I'm going to unpack a few things here real quick, just to pop them in the fridge before we head out for our little meeting. to either go in this tub. I even have stuff upstairs that I'm gonna have to go through. I can't believe I'm showing you guys all this stuff. And then I just need to tidy up a bit in here. And this guy is going to Facebook Marketplace. Oh shit. Hopefully to Facebook Marketplace, because this little guy has served us well, but it is time to go, honey. And there's a few things over there that are gonna get sorted out, and oh Lord. And then yeah, okay. So that's all I'm gonna show you of this mess. Where time has just gone by so fast today, and I'm like, what have I even done? I ate lunch and now it's like 2 hours later. Disassemble the tree. Sorry, my face is like really red. I was like touching it. Gotta disassemble the tree because we are going to list her on Facebook Marketplace, like I said, because we don't need her anymore. Save us some storage space. So anyways, I'm going to do that. And then I'm gonna like vacuum and zhuzh. Also, what kind of Latina would I be if I didn't put on some reggaeton while I'm cleaning? I mean, you gotta do it. Also, if you didn't know, I'm half Latina. I love Latin music, which, fun fact, so does my husband, which I'm obsessed with my husband, so. And then one of my girlfriends in my Spanish class actually sent me a song from this guy, Hilario Carrion. So we're gonna play some of his music. I love my Latin music, what can I say?
Es que a ti te pienso tanto, no creo que solo sea amor. Por ti baby doy el mundo y la mitad en mi corazón. Baby, tú y yo queriéndonos, sintiéndonos. Hazme el amor, el que tanto dice tenerme. Hazme el amor.
Go for a bit of a walk. Take a bit of a break. Oh, baby. It is cold, y'all. It's like 35 right now. But before the sun completely went down, I wanted to take advantage of all of the, well, whatever sunlight I do have left now that it's not a cloudy day like it was last week. I'm still getting used to having an actual vlog camera slash, oh my god, I have a vlog camera. I dreamed of this when I first started my YouTube one day, being able to get one, and my honey got one for me, so I'm really still just stoked on that. And really, anyways, I don't know, I wanted to film a home vlog because I feel like, sorry, it's really loud. I just feel like people don't do these enough, and this is what everybody's life looks like normally, so here we are. It's funny. I know watching someone walk their dog or clean house, do the laundry, clean the kitchen, do the dishes, all the normal mundane stuff that we all do every day. All of us that watch big YouTubers and whatever. I know that may seem lame, but like that's what our lives are. And I think it's so easy to romanticize it and to make it more cinematic, and that shit is just more relatable, you know? But I think as a society and a culture, we really want to see more normal people showing what they do and finding the beauty in the mundane, you know? So anyways, that's the kind of stuff I love watching now. Maybe it's because I'm turning 30 at the end of the year. Just turned 29. It's like I've been perpetually turning 30 for like
4 years. I think 30 is hot, so that's kind of where I'm at. Anyways, just thought I'd chat to you real quick. Okay, so I'm in here cleaning the kitchen. But I've got this, I think it's like a Latin playlist or reggaeton or something that Hunter put on for me while I was cleaning earlier. This song that's playing on my Spotify here, let me show you real quick. It's by Bad Bunny. Batigano? I feel like I've never heard this one. I just had to play a blurb for you because it is a banger. I don't know, I've never heard this song before, but it is so good. There is literally no better feeling than a completely cleaned kitchen. I feel like that's a pretty good size pour, right? But I actually am a level 1 certified wine sommelier. I don't know if y'all have ever seen any of my videos. I only have 2 when I first started my YouTube, thinking that I was going to do food and wine because I'm very much a foodie at heart. I love cooking. I grew up loving and being obsessed with like Ina Garten. Ooh, girl. What the fuck? Whoa. 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 And definitely a decanter or something to air that out. I haven't worked in wine since I was, gosh, how old was I? I don't remember how old I was. It was 2019. That's when I got my certification. I spent a year studying wine and that was so much fun. Can I just say, if you're watching and you are in high school, you know, I think people that continue learning outside of the classroom as they age are some of the most intelligent and interesting people. I consider myself one of them and my husband. But learning things outside of school is the shit. Like literally, no joke. It's so fun because you get to pursue things that you genuinely have an interest in, and it's all kinds of things. It's wine, it's beer, food and beverage is a thing, art, construction, gardening, cooking. Like there's so many different avenues you can go down in learning language. Like I'm taking Spanish classes so I can finally be fluido or fluida, pardon me, fluida en español. Like you can learn so much, and I think it's so fun and interesting, and like that's the kind of shit you actually want to learn about as you grow older. I think it really keeps your mind young and sharp as you age, so like a fine wine. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day. I just parked at Brunch. I'm meeting a girlfriend. She's super fun. She always gets me out of my comfort zone because I love routine, as you can tell from this video. And I don't often come to Nashville anymore, but we are meeting for brunch and I'm really excited. It's at one of my favorite places in Nashville. It's in, I guess we're technically in Germantown. It's this restaurant and bar called Geist. It's 25 degrees here in Nashville, but let me show you my outfit because I am obsessed with what I'm wearing. Hang on. I don't really know where to put you so that you can see. I'm like awkwardly next to another car. I'm gonna crack up if there's like people inside this car. I don't know. Can you see it? Okay, I think this is the last week they have their Christmas stuff up. Oh my god. You guys. I didn't know that this was all still up. How cute. Watch, someone's gonna come out and be like, you can't film. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh, you guys. Oh my god, this is so fucking cute. This is it. Stop. You guys, this place is so cute. Look at this.
I just asked the waitress and she said that they're keeping it like this till February. So if you're in town, check it out. What did you say?
We have the whole kitchen here. We have the French press. We have the containers.
Y'all, she was trying to ask the guy if we could put the tables together.
We got Brussels sprouts and we have breakfast sandwiches.
Yes, we're a couple of hungry girls over here. Also, I got a virgin. I told her I really wanted a Bloody Mary because I love tomato juice. But your girl's got a bunch of shit to do today, and so I don't have time to be drinking right now. When she's over there, she gotta go to work today too. Oh, look at this. I was so hungry. Look at these potatoes. Yum. Okay, can I just say it is kind of a sleigh to be able to film in the car. So, sorry if it's a bit shaky or loud from just the wind. It's super like cold and windy here right now. That was so fun. It was so good to see Kim. It was just really good and we laughed a lot. And it was just so much fun. Anyways, I'm heading back home. I've got some leftovers with me for Hunter for his breakfast. Y'all, it was so good. If you go to Geist, I had the breakfast sandwich like you saw with the potatoes. So good. And that Bloody Mary was actually fire. I know it was virgin, which thank God I made that decision. I didn't want alcohol. She also had to go to work, but I'm not a big brunch cocktail person because if I have things to do during the day like today, I will get none of it done and I'll just get really sleepy and tired and lethargic and I don't have time for that. But it was really good. I had to make it extra spicy because your girl loves her spice, you know. Latina, what can I say? Can you see the whole look? Mm-hmm. I'm having Hunter film my outfit real quick since I didn't get a proper clip of it for you guys earlier. So I'm wearing these vintage cargo pants that were your dad's, right? Which is so funny. Hunter gave these to me that he used to wear them when he used to hunt in them when you were little, right? And it has a matching jacket and everything. I just cuff them at the bottom, which I totally could just get them hemmed. I'm just lazy. And then this vintage Calvin Klein button-up shirt because I really was vibing with like the baggy oversized and then an oversized top. I think that look looks really cool together. But then to kind of, because I'm so petite, to bring some shape to it so it was more balanced, I threw on this waistcoat that I thrifted. And I like that it was also white, so I don't know, I thought it looked really cool. It added some interest and some kind of like shape and pattern to the look. And then my vintage boots that I thrifted in Idaho in my Thrift With Me video from last week. And I've got my Apple Watch, and then I slicked my hair, and then I just took off my big earrings that you would have seen, but just to kind of make it look more put together for this oversized baggy vibe. And then I also had that vintage leather jacket over the top that it was oversized, but I thought it was really cute. I think it's funny that when I was about to leave, I looked at the outfit as a whole in the mirror, and I thought to myself that I should take parts of it away because it wasn't as aesthetic, or maybe a lot of people wouldn't like it. But then I put it all back on because I was like, why would I dress for anyone else than myself? And it's totally my vibe that I was going for today. And my girlfriend was like, you look so cute. So anyways, just for the outfit, thought I'd share that. Okay, it's a few hours later and we're cooking that chicken that I got yesterday in our haul. I was just trussing it and asked Hunter to film, but you know, he didn't want to film for me.
How am I going to film when my hands are covered in
Well,
mayo?
your hands were not covered in mayo a second ago. Again, we're gonna have a glass of wine.
I just pulled off the foil and took her out of the oven. She is looking so good. I melted some butter. I'm gonna baste it with some sage, I think. Hunter said it's snowing. It's sticking, you said? Oh my gosh.
Isn't that awesome?
I feel like I'm in Idaho again. It's snowing! Okay, in case this is you, I'm gonna speak to you right now. If you were trying to make it in YouTube or in some creative space like I am, you guys, I just reached 360 subscribers. I just posted another short and I posted my thrift with me video the other day, like late Friday night. Look at this. See if you can see it. I don't know if you can. 360. Before I posted this, I was at like 325 or something like that. And then I posted a few shorts and it started slowly going up. And I've been trying to really consistently show up with my YouTube videos week to week or every other week this year. But I told myself if I can somehow make a video a week come out, which I work 9 to 5, I get to work at 5:30, I leave at 2, I go straight to the gym, I come home, I make dinner. Like, I have a busy schedule. I'm married, we have family, I have my friends, which I don't see as often, but I told myself, even with all that going on, if I need to make this happen, if I want to make this happen seriously, if this is really my dream, which it is, and I'm assuming you're listening because it's yours too, do not give up on it. And even when you have moments when you're posting stuff and it's flopping, even if you love it or think it was a great idea, or you're learning how to make it look appealing so that people will actually click on it, like, just keep going. Don't stop because you think it's not looking as good as everyone else's, or people are going to think you're just like doing something silly and they don't take it seriously. Like, get the practice in and continue posting. I've been doing YouTube for 2.5 years now, going on 3. And I just started the kind of unlocking part of it, and so much of it is just a consistency thing. I just posted this YouTube short. The comments are everything I want in my YouTube community and on my creator platform. It's got 69 likes. And if you could see these comments, these people are so nice. And I just, like, let me just read you a few. I love your videos. That's also for me. You're going to do great. Keep going. I could cry. I want to cry. Maybe it's the wine. You guys, that's all I want on my channel. It's just like people that are that kind and positive. I'm just floored. I don't know. That's just so much more to me than just posting fashion and stuff, you know? Like, it's so much more than that to me. I think what unlocks the key to everything is just keep showing up. Because at some point, it's gonna give. And this is a really small example of that, so keep it up, babe. Cheers.
Drop them in, it's ready.
Yeah, let me just drop in some whole potatoes.
Yeah, drop them in.
Drop them in, bitch.
Drop them in.
Drop them in. Drop them in. Drop them in. Drop them in. Drop them in.
Who are you?
I have a lot of
You're acting like an 8-year-old kid that had soda for the first time. Oh wow, that was really good. Let me just run around the house real fast.
Doom, 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 doom.
You asked me out on a date when we first started dating. And we went out to some nice restaurant downtown. And then you had half of a glass of wine, handed me the keys and said, I can't do it at home.
Y'all, it's true. I asked him out on a date when I first moved here and took him to this really good restaurant in East Nashville. I had a glass of white wine and literally 4 sips in, I go, I think you're gonna have to drive because I can no longer drive. So, always been a cheap date. but you're welcome.
Sizzle, sizzle. Stop.
She's beautiful.
Well, she's a guy, so.
No, chickens are women. Someone call Gordon Ramsay. Just have to show you guys before we fully dug in. Hunter made a sandwich. Some mashed potatoes with all the pan drippings and potatoes and farm fresh lettuce. Y'all, this is all literally homemade and farm fresh.
Literally.
Good morning, vlog. You guys, look at this. What is that, Ruby?
Look at how deep it is.
Is that so much snow? Oh my goodness. Look how much snow we got, Ruby girl. It's so cozy. We were both home from work today. So I think in a while.
I just saw somebody try to get out and they got stuck.
We literally just got out of bed. We've been laying in bed this whole time. Whoa. I think we're gonna go play in the snow here in a little bit. But I need to wake up. I'm still in my, just put on some sweats. Oh, let me turn that light on. It's a little dark in here. It's a little dark in here. I'm in my sweats. These sweats are from H&M. I'm pretty sure this top is from Amazon. My sister got it for me in Hunter's old camo sweater that's really cozy warm. But anyways, I think we're just gonna chill out. I think I need to start working on this video actually. Husband cooks for you and puts on Bad Bunny. Yum, I'm so excited. Checking in line from day 2 of Snowmageddon. Out here in Franklin, we're braving the snowy roads to go to, where are we going, Best Buy?
My computer charger died.
Yeah, Hunter broke his computer charger. It's been on the schwitz for a while. So we're going to Best Buy right now to do that. Actually, yeah, it says that they're open online. I don't know. This is, I don't know how many days I've been vlogging this week now. It's Tuesday. Yesterday, I forgot when I finished vlogging. But we ended up going for a walk with Ruby in our neighborhood just to get out for a little bit. And then we came home and just kind of cuddled up on the couch, had a nice little cuddle puddle, the 3 of us, the fireplace on. It was great. And then just passed out, went to bed. So here we are. We were really craving Chick-fil-A. Hunter woke me up this morning and was like, I want Chick-fil-A. And I would love a Chick-fil-A breakfast sandwich. Granted, we only have like 20 minutes before breakfast would even be still served. And I don't think that they're even open right now because they're so good to their people. So we're just slowly creeping along. I think we're going to go for a nice long winter walk around lunchtime because the sun is out a bit more today. As you can see, there's more blue skies than there was yesterday. It's still really cold though. The high, what is it? It's like 11 degrees right now.
It's 20 degrees is the high, and the low tonight is 3.
3
but
degrees.
With the wind chill, it's going to be in the negatives.
Yeah, I saw on the weather radar it's supposed to be -1-ish tonight. So we'll see if I still have to go to work tomorrow. Fingers crossed I don't.
So much for global warming.
I mean, I have to wake up at like 4:30 to be at work. Probably earlier if I want to be able to drive safely because it's so early and freezing at that time. I don't know. So that's what we're doing now. Welcome back.